rising to a mushroom head 50,000 feet above. Well, that's it, Clarnute said sadly. That is civil war. May I make a suggestion, Assassin President? Birkenwall asked. I understand that Assassin's truce is binding, even upon non-assassins. Is that correct? Well, not exactly. It's generally kept by such non-assassins as want to remain in their present reincarnations, though. That's what I meant. Well, so again. The ship for Jurgabar was driving north and west. At 70,000 feet, it was still daylight, but the world below was wrapping itself in darkness. In the big visiscreens, which served in lieu of the windows, which could never have withstood the pressure and friction heat of the ship's speed, the sun was sliding out of sight, in any of them the least harm. All I was interested in was learning the facts. I know that sounds like I didn't know it was loaded, but it sounds to me like those fourth-level Europo-American Sector The man who forged this blade is guilty of the death of Marnak of Barshad. If he'd never lived, I'd have killed Marnak with some other knife somebody else made. And what's more, you can't know the results of your agricultural methods and general mismanagement are eroding away their arable soil at an alarming rate. At the same time, they're breeding like rabbits. In other words, each successive generation has less and less food to divide among more and more people. Of anarchy. I doubt that. I think Clarnute will take hold now that he has committed himself to it. You know, in spite of his sanguinary profession, he's the nearest